Okay guys, my grandma is at the store, so yeah, that's cool, isn't it? Yeah, I know, right? And yeah, and so, yeah, stuff. Yeah, stuff. Chicken, yeah, pickle. Oh, I love doing this. It's so fun. Who are you? I'm your worst nightmare. What do you mean? Worst nightmare? It's a figure of speech, you idiot. And I sort of meant that I'm gonna kill you. Duh. God. Oh me. Dog. Back off, yo. Oh, yeah, look what I got. You back off. Yo. Dog. How? You wanna know how already? I'm gonna kill you with this. Or this. You get to choose, people. To be continued. Continued. The voters have chosen, and they have not chose this. They have not chose this. But they have chosen this. To kill a heart of love. It can kill anything. Now. Stay still. Okay? Make sure you stay still. Okay, I'll stay still. You want me to face towards you? Okay. Okay, here we go. That was the sound of death. Wait, no, please. So, hey, dude, wake up, dude, oh God, I'm going to jail, and I deserve it. Hey, get back here! You're under arrest! Hello there. You're looking mighty fine today.